everyone, my name is Miss Erin and I am so glad that you are watching this today. In this video and in some other videos, I'm going to show you how to use a special writing strategy that will help you answer questions about something you have read. To get started, I have 4 questions I'm going to ask you, and I want you to whisper your answer. Now, of course, I won't be able to hear you, but go ahead and whisper your answer. Ready? What is your name? Okay, you should have whispered your answer. Number 2, what is your favorite color? Number 3, what season do you like best? And last, be ready to whisper your answer. What is your favorite food? Okay, good. Now let's go back over these questions. Number 1, what is your name? Okay, I'll answer this. I want you to notice the differences in these 2 answers that I'm going to give. So, what is your name? Miss Erin. Or listen to this. What is your name? My name is Miss Erin. Do you see how the first one just gives the answer, but the other one uses words from the question to start the sentence? Let's look at number 2. What is your favorite color? Okay, let's say blue is your favorite color. Did anyone say blue? Again, look at the difference in my answers. What is your favorite color? Blue. Or what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. See how the second one gives words from the question. And number 3, what season do you like best? Let's say summer is what you like best. That actually is my favorite. So what season do you like best? Summer. Or what season do you like best? The season I like best is summer. I like how that second answer sounds more complete and clear because it starts by using words from the question. And number 4, what is your favorite food? Okay, let's say you chose a hamburger. Any hamburger fans out there? Okay, listen to the difference. What is your favorite food? A hamburger. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is a hamburger. Do you see the differences in these answers? The first thing I want you to be able to do after watching this video is answer a question out loud by first using words from the question. Or we call that restating the question because you are stating or saying the question words again to start your answer sentence. Let's try a few more questions, and this time whisper your answer by first restating the question. Ready? What is your favorite kind of pet? I hope you restated the question before giving your answer. You should have whispered, my favorite kind of pet is a dog, a cat, a turtle, or whatever you picked. See how the words from the question are how you start your answer. Let's try another one. Whisper your answer. What is a fast way to travel? You should have whispered, a fast way to travel is a plane, a rocket ship, or whatever else is fast. Again, the words from the question are how you start your answer. And here's the last question. How are an apple and an orange alike? Did you start your answer by restating words from the question? An apple and an orange are alike because they are fruit or are sweet. The main thing is that you used words from the question. Now I'm going to give you a challenge. I'm going to say an answer and you should be able to tell what the question should be. Okay, here we go. Here's my answer. My favorite fruit is pineapple. Okay, whisper what the question would be for the answer, my favorite fruit is pineapple. If my answer is my favorite fruit is pineapple, then the question is, what is your favorite fruit? Did you get that? Okay, let's do another one. Here's my answer, the beach. Okay, whisper the question if my answer is the beach. Pretty tricky, right? You have no idea what the question is because I didn't use words from the question. Okay, let me do a better job answering this time. A place I like to visit is the beach. Okay, now do you know what the question is? I'll say it again. A place I like to visit is the beach. Whisper the question. Yes, the question would be, what is a place you like to visit? And the answer is, a place I like to visit is the beach. Now you might be wondering, Miss Erin, why are we doing this? Here's why. You need to be able to write an answer to a question by first restating the words in the question so that it is very clear for whoever reads your answer. This will help your answer make more sense to whoever is reading it. Okay, that's all I have for us today, but before you see the next video lesson, you are going to complete the question-answer matching page that your teacher will assign. It will be either an online, a digital assignment, or on paper. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.